Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abrogation. 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 Abrogation is a noun that refers to the act of officially or formally repealing or abolishing a law, agreement, or contract, often due to a change in circumstances or a decision to invalidate it. Like abrogate, it is typically used in legal, political, or formal contexts. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The abrogation of the discriminatory law was a significant step towards equality. Why this use in example number 1? In this example, abrogation is used to describe the official act of repealing the discriminatory law. Example number 2. The abrogation of the trade agreement led to disruptions in commerce between the two nations. Why this use in example number 2? Abrogation is used to explain the formal act of terminating the trade agreement, emphasizing its legal and political consequences for commerce. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.